Today we have a GMC Yukon. We're going to be adjusting the emergency brake. Right now when you push down the emergency brake all the way, it won't hold the car. So it could be that the emergency brake shoes that go out inside the drum need to be replaced. Or it could be just the cable distance when you push down needs to be shortened so it applies more pressure. So you make sure your vehicle's on a flat surface, or the wheels are chalk so it can't roll. Emergency brake off, and put down something here just to keep me off the concrete. And when you look up right here, you have a pretty easy adjustment. So we're pretty close to the rear driver's side tire, and this cable we're going to tighten. So we're going to have a deep socket. You could use a crescent wrench if you want to. We're going to move the cable. We're going to move this direction so we tighten it up. So I've got a pair of vice grips holding this end. Don't really need that, but this is a 1/2-inch socket, deep socket. So I'm going to turn this righty-tighty. I'm actually going to grab this part. This could be already tightened as far as it'll go. It may be time to change the brake shoe. Let's see if there's any more left in this one though. So I got my vice grips on this bracket. I'm turning now to the right. If we go any further, I'm going to go inside the car and see if that changes the feel of the pedal. It's holding it tighter. Maybe a little better. I think I'm going to go even more. So release it. So I do think you have to grab this cable, otherwise the cable just spins. You don't want to grab this, you got to grab the cable itself. It might just be bottomed out all the way though. Alright, I think that's tightening it now. Before it was just spinning. Let's see if it makes any difference. It does feel tighter. Let's try it now. Yeah, feels like there's more. Go a little tighter. So another way you can do this too is if you grab this, it has a flat surface so you can grab onto it and then use a open end wrench to tighten this one. That's probably the best way to go. Grab the flat surface of this one and then use an open end wrench, spin it this way to tighten it up. I think that is improved though. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.